Thanks for stopping in. My name is Ben, it's nice to meet you. Won't you tag along? You could even sing this song. I can tell you're excited, cause I am too. I can tell you're excited, cause I am too. Today is Friday. Friday is the day of glory, which was the tune that I just sang. Yes, another week went by. Another week, and let's see, it is 2 o'clock right now, so 2 more hours, and then total freedom. Yes, total freedom. I think I like weekends more than your average human being. Weekends just equal don't do anything. That's, thank God for weekends is all I have to say. And then I'm on my way to church right now. Friday night is or every other Friday night is a game night for us. So I get to go and have fun, and you get to meet my youth group.
At the church.
There's Justin talking on his cell phone.
I'm at the church.
Yeah.
Probably.
Hi! Why don't you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Beth.
Aww.
And I'm here at Calvary Chapel.
Give you temporary ID cards?
Because the freshmen aren't allowed off campus.
On campus?
Off campus.
Oh.
I'll stare at this all day. Say something
I
profound.
was like, is at our school, the freshmen go to the middle school.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Do a dance, Joe. Do a dance, Joe.
It's in my heart.
It's it. Where? I can't see it.
Joe, break it out. The beat of America.
It's the beat of America.
Get this guy right here.
Wow.
Dancing like
Staring at it like you're from a third world country. What country are you from, Chris? Tell the world.
How many years have you known me?
No, I've known you for a long time. But tell the world what country you're from.
I'm upside down.
Are you?
I am from nowhere.
There you go.
Just soy de Ecuador.
I got diarrhea.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Then why don't you speak some Spanish to us?
You might have dysentery, so you
Because you wouldn't understand.
Walker. It's a cute face.
If my phone does, I'll open it, and if I close it too fast, it'll turn off.
Really?
And are you not allowed to record me?
Walker's like my little brother. I like him a lot. I like him a lot. Brandon likes attention. Oh man, that was fun. There's soccer and football and Red Rover and spoons. Oh man, I'm losing my voice now. It was fun. Man, that was fun. If you go to church and you weren't there, you missed out. I'm gonna go see Inception for the 3rd time now. Gotta see it as many times as I can before it runs out, before it leaves theaters, because that has very quickly become my all-time favorite movie. So yeah, we're gonna go do that. And I have really nothing else to say. So I suppose that concludes video number 9. Thanks guys for watching. Oh, and one more thing before I leave. I decided that I'm not gonna be desperate enough to make videos as per my subscribers. So like if I have 15 videos and 15 subscribers, I'm not gonna make any more videos. I don't want to ever have more videos than I have subscribers. So I know that's just a pride issue on my part, but you guys have to tell all of your friends and everybody to subscribe. Seriously, tell everybody to subscribe. Spread the word. So thanks guys for watching. Sorry I'm not paying attention to the camera. I'm kind of paying attention to the road. episode because, of course, I'm driving again. So stay tuned for video number 10. Thanks, guys. Subscribe to Ben the Fierce Dragon. Later.